Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are exploring how to design hair selections using mask overlay. Start by selecting your subject roughly using the Quick Selection tool. Then open Select and Mask from the top bar. Switch the View mode to Mask Overlay so you can clearly see selected and unselected areas. Use the Refine Edge brush tool and gently paint over hair areas to capture fine strands. Keep brush strokes light and controlled to avoid over-selection. Zoom in and work slowly around edges where hair meets the background. Adjust edge detection and slightly increase contrast to improve separation. If needed,